Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this video in which we are going to show you how we use Microsoft Excel uh, to develop a dashboard, which is operable remotely through the email. Like all you need to do is send an email. The email comes to the dashboard, to a particular folder, and dashboard starts working. Right. So you, as you can see, there are plenty of users who have their accounts right here, and I will send an email from my Gmail account, right? So this is my thing, and I want to clear 5 days backlog of my report. Okay, so clearance of backlog will be my request, right? So what we are going to do is I'm going to edit the subject. Yes, this is the subject which I'm supposed to do, and I need a user and 5 days here. So this part of the email can be used as a template. Well, this is our template one. So this is just template one. Now we have to put a right username here. My username is Amjad 0001. Okay. So by doing this, I'm telling to my dashboard to go to my account and add a transaction that my 5 days of the backlog should be cleared, right? So when we send it, what happens? It comes to uh, the Outlook. Yeah, in this folder. It will land in this folder. As soon as it is landed here, so it will be within the reach of the dashboard. Dashboard will take it and start acting upon it, right? Now, you can see that you will see my user will be automatically be used, yes, and it is clearing 5 days backup. So until before this, until 29th of December, we had already, so that's why 30th of October, 30th of October was chosen, because the last entry of the performance, which was in the database, was 29th of September. That's why it has stamped the performance date as 30th. Okay? The next thing will be 31st, but since today is 31st, this will this command will the system will not be able to action this any request which is for the performance date higher than yesterday. So yesterday was 30, that's fine, but for the 31st, since today is 31st, so this one. So let's try see then. So as you can see that the email has been email has been sent to the user. If you go to the sent mail, so the 5 days backlog clearance was 9:59. Yes, this is one. And it has actioned the request and 30th of October, right? Now we want to see that what would happen if we attempt to a date which is not allowed, the 31st of October, since it is higher than the yesterday's date, what would happen? So let's go and go to the email, and we send an email for another transaction, clearance of 5 days backlog, right? For this user, right? So it will be nice to see that what the system behavior will be, right? How would it be behaved? Since this is against the rule of our dashboard, that you can mark the performance for the activity which is less than yesterday, but not more than. So that is called post-dated clearance is not allowed, right? Okay, so we are sending an invalid uh, request for the further 5 days clearance. Let's see what happens. So it's now going to get the same route. It will land into this folder. As soon as it comes here, the system will start working now. Okay? So it is now attempting a new class. So it is now, it has attempted, and it has not performed any performance more than the yesterday. Yesterday was 30th. That's why it is having no impact, and it did send the email, but that email was with no transactions listed, right? So this is the latest status. You have that much dues. You have that you have performed 68,412 and 40,080 are the are the overdue. So if you continue doing this, so it will not change these figures, and it will have no impact, right? So let's see that how was the email which we have received in the inbox. Yeah, so this is 4 minutes ago, and where is the 0 minute ago? Yeah, this is the 0 1. Okay? So this is it. So yeah, your request for backlog clearance could not be actioned because post-dated transactions are not allowed, right? So, sir, it has made no changes. You can see that 40,080 in here, and 4 minutes before it was still 40,080, right? So no change has come. Any further request for further, so you can have 31st October only when the 31st October gets only yesterday, right? And if the yesterday, anything higher than yesterday's date will be you will get such a response that your backlog clearance request could not be actioned because the post-dated transactions are not allowed. But still, the latest pictures will be shown to you and having those. Okay, so this is an intelligent way of developing the dashboard using the Outlook. And from where you are, wherever in the world, all you need to do is send an email, and the system will take the action and respond it back to you. Okay? So this is, and let me show you that where is that message written, right? Let me go to the view code, and in I wrote Control F, right? L2. L2 is the cell in which we have sent that message, and that message became the part of it. Yeah, this is the user already exists. Post-dated transactions are not allowed, right? So this is where it is writing your request for backlog clearance could not be actioned because the post-dated transactions are not allowed, right? So this is uh, how the system automatically decide what to write while composing the email. This procedure is send email procedure, and which intelligently works. And whenever such a situation arises, then it changes the body text of the outgoing email, and that includes all this information. Sometimes it writes your request for creation of the could not be actioned because the user name is already exists, or sometimes it reads the backup has been actioned. Your request for restoring the backup has been actioned, like this, right? So these all are the situations which are tackled, and the system is ready, and whatever is the situation, the system automatically adopts that phrase in the body text of the outgoing email. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.